Welcome to Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our trade, a 2013 25-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. This boat sits on a load-right 5-star aluminum tandem trailer. Take a walk around, look at the hull, and then we'll get inside. The boat has a spare tire. Boat has a T-top, Weblon top, outriggers. Hull looks in very good condition. White boat, black bottom, black motors. Props look good, skegs look good. 225 Verados, just under 300 hours on them. Lenco electric trim tabs. Trailer guides, 5-rod rocket launcher, aft of the T-top. Let's go inside, take a look at this boat. As we get in, boat has a transom door, tackle center, live well, sink, aft seating, rod holders, has a wash down on the back, cockpit combing with rod storage under it. Cushions are in storage, they're in very good condition. Boat has a plow anchor, low profile bow rail. There is a cooler, goes in front of the seat. All the metal is in very good condition. Bolster seat. The Raymarine is a C-127, has a Raymarine VHF and has a 4kW radar dome. Controls, fusion stereo, push button start, wheel with knob. Take a look in the head. It has a plumb porta potty, plenty of storage. Radio box, life jackets underneath. It is a blue top. This is our 2013 25-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. Thank you.